Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. It's Sunday morning and I'm filming updates for the weekend to let you know what I've been up to, some things I picked up, and other stuff I'm working on. So we have Happy Mail from Ty. Ty is Ty's Crafty Spot here on YouTube, and you can also find her on Instagram. I keep forgetting to post on Instagram. I mean, it's there, I just get busy. One of my friends emailed me to check on me because she's not a crafter, doesn't watch my videos, but she was checking in and I laughed and said, yeah, I'm fine. I just don't post. Oh my gosh, that paper, can you see the sparkles in it? Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm gonna save that. What a cute sticker, Ty. What are you up to? Oh, that's cute. Give it to God. Oh, it's a little prayer box with a pencil. Oh my gosh, that is darling. That is so cute, Ty. Love it. Just love it. Ooh, looks like you've been doing some beautiful die cutting. Let's see if I can get this open. Look at these, gorgeous, made just for you. Oh my gosh. That's really nice paper too. Just because paper hugs, a little treat for someone sweet, and then paper hugs, and then in gold too. Between blue and gold, I mean, that goes with everything I make, right? Those are so cute. I'm sure the paper hugs is hard to see. So let me get you, there you go, paper hugs. So cute. Oh my gosh, Ty, this is gorgeous. Look at her. She's got cute little gifty sprinkles in there. If I open that up, that's a mess. It is beautiful though. Oh my gosh, such lovely. Oh, she's got a star on there. Doesn't she just package things beautifully? Everyone has their talents, and I have not seen the end of Ty's yet. And she makes a lot of different things too. You know, she has fun and just adds, oh my gosh, so it's 3 different things in here. She's just making and trying, and oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh, this one's jiggling around, I think. I think this one I might need to adjust a little. And then, I don't want to spill these things all over, Ty, you little stinker. There we go. I'll get it. My fancy clips are in the other room. Okay. Is this for me to like bend and attach to something? Or has something... No, look at this. Is it a twisty? Oh, it's a twisty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I've seen people make these. They're gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh, this is my pokey tool. I got it. She made me my own customized. See? See how much cuter it is than this? Oh my gosh. And with the loop, it still hangs on the wall. Oh my gosh. And it has a little dog paw on the end. Look at that. That is so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know what this is for. Is it for me to attach to something? It is adorable. Do I put it on a journal? Am I supposed to do something else with it? I'm in love with it. Oh my gosh. For right now, I might just hang it on the wall. I gotta show you guys something hilarious. Okay, this time last year, I sent Ty, so she happy mailed me these dies a long time ago, and then I sent her die cuts from it, you know, so this is like, this must be like our 3rd year, Ty, or something. She sent me these cute dies. Then the following year in the season, I sent her die cuts. And she sent this card to me. And it is so stinking cute. I just keep it in the package on the wall. Look at this. I took it out. It's crooked because of me. I took it out like last week or last month and looked at it and then put it back. But it's so cute. I just keep it on the wall all year long. I don't care if it's in season. It is adorable. Friendsgiving, always in season. Isn't that funny? She makes gorgeous stuff. Okay, let's get moving. I know I'm a dawdler. I like you. Thanks a lotl. so cute. So cute. Even I could color that. Oh, little hearts. I don't think I have just like plain nice shaped hearts. Friends always close at heart. They're little bags. Oh my gosh. They're little like gift bags or journal pockets. They're journal pockets, aren't they? They'd be adorable for that. That is a cute die. Really cute tie. Oh my gosh, look at these. Beware of the dog. Yes, for sure. Faithful friend, good dog, puppy. Oh my gosh, those are too cute. Craft all day, and you can paint it or ink it. Ooh. And make the sign and layer it up. You could also heat emboss it, right? Blue. I might have to do that and hang it on the wall. That's super cute, Ty. Thank you so much for the completely out of the blue fun surprises. She just, you know, gets a whim and does funny stuff. I love it all, Ty. It's adorable. I'm going to just scooch it right here, not mess up the paper. Okay, since it's Sunday morning and I'm running late, I better get moving so I can actually get this video out to you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm going to put it over here in my notebook. This week, I ordered the beading stuff. I asked you guys about it. I wasn't sure. And this is how I did it. It came like this. I really wanted these two because I'd been watching somebody work with these. And then I wanted probably this size and larger, but I just didn't know any better, of whatever these things are called that I already forgot. With my vast beading skills. Remember, I'm not a beading person at all. And this also came with some, what are these called? Lobster claws or clips. And then I wanted these. I think these are called loop pins. There was also a Tim Holtz set that, of course, was much, you know, much more expensive and whatever. And I would have bought that to support our brand and, you know, but there were no silver in it. When I looked carefully, there were 3 other colors, but no silver. And I have some gold circles of these that I got at the thrift store. So this way I have silver and gold that actually match. And then I have some like teal or blue ones that I also picked up. So random. You'll see what I'm doing with these in Smash Our Stash. That's on the 7th. So you'll get to see what's up. I just wanted to show you what I bought. If you are someone who does a lot of beading, you might be like, well, you didn't pick up the right stuff. Well, okay. Give me pointers if I need them. The round ones, they're tricky. And I've seen what you're supposed to use them for. Like, that's why I asked about this. You can take this thing and bend it into a circle. But I don't know that I'm going to be doing that. And I haven't even taken the cutters out of the package. Okay. So that's what's going on. I also have a little haul. I went back to Lost and Found Crafts in Olympia, Washington, and I picked up these items while I was there. I donated more than I took. Oil pastels. No, I donated more than I took home. 2 rose PSX stamps. And I didn't ask for a receipt. You know, she offered and I said no. But I think these were 25 or 50 a piece. This was $1. Sunflowers. You know who you are. This white and gold. Super cute. I think unopened packages are $1. So 2.5 yards of cute trim for $1. This is really old. If there was a time when these were pretty, this is Bohemia, had a bird on it. I see a pocket, journal pocket there. A cute little tiny die. This brand is made in the U.S. I think it's a Pacific Northwest company too. It is, Seattle area, puppy stamps. You'll also see their dies as, oh, you know, I'm going to say memory box. And if that's not right, Noni can set me straight. Look at this cute little bird. It's going to be adorable. He's small enough that I'm going to need to do some die cutting and cluster building before I'm ready to make journals. It's not just going to be a die cut and glue him on, right? Put him right there where he's safe. I picked up a paper pad. I want it noted there was another one that was really cute. Well, there were like 2 or 3 others. I didn't buy them all. I just got this one. I thought this one would be great for layering in journals and in clusters. The paper is a little bit on the thinner side. And they're just really neutral, fun papers. Mostly vintage. This one has some sayings, but I don't know if they'll really work because they're kind of hanging off the page. This is, I know, create mini albums, over 35 mini albums to collect your life's little memories. I just love mini albums, and I just think these old books and magazines are fun. You know, Mary sent me some that they're not exactly current. It doesn't matter. If it's paper crafting, it's still fun. These were in a tub. I think she charged me like 25 cents a piece, and they're blue. Hello, they were coming home with me. Dragonflies, a branch, some tags. This one is a different one, but obviously corresponds. A bird, some more tags. And then this one has birds on it and bird. That's what I bought it for. Not really my color palette, right? So I had fun there. My friend Denise went with me this time, and she is just recently graduated from a school program. So discovering that she has time for hobbies, right? So she picked up a bunch of fabric and had fun there. And then at some point, I'll show you some paper that Denise went to Michael's without me. What the heck? And bought me 3 12 by 12 pads. And they're super cute. My Michael's sometimes is not all that everyone else's is. And Denise lives in a fairly affluent area, so their stores are very nice. Very nice. I'm going to wrap up, but I wanted to tell you a couple things. NCIS is back on. Did you know? Did you watch it? Don't tell me. We can't write about it in the comments. No spoilers. People are at different places, but I was so excited. And I hit an estate sale. It was a dud. As far as videos coming out, I have a Where I Live. People have said that the notifications for my channel aren't working. You can't rely on YouTube notifications. You just have to click and see if I put out any new videos. But recently I had some process videos for Smash That Small Paper Pad. I put out a video about where I live and the area. If you want to do that, make one. Mine was a little complex to make. That's why it took so long to come out. So maybe don't overdo it. Tidying, I have some tidying videos. And then in the pipeline coming, I have Smash Our Stash is all about buttons this month. And oh my gosh, I have so many buttons. And then I also have a tidying video where I took my entire, our 3-level carts that we roll around from Michael's or IKEA, took the whole thing apart and redid it. So if you want to check those out, they're coming. And ideas for today. I already have too many. I want to put a button on a journal. I don't know if it'll be this one, but I have like 3 or 4 journals laid out that aren't on Etsy, so I could make changes to them. I want to put a button on the front as a closure because I've never done it, and it would be, part of Smash Our Stash to use buttons. And I'm thinking I might actually list something on Etsy. I know, probably not, but I keep finding stuff where I'm like, that's still here. And this week, I'll show you. It's bad, but I'll show you anyway. I made a mess. I went through tubs. I went through like all these tubs on the counter, and I worked on the cupboard of shame and fit the big pile of books that was there and a bunch of stuff that was down there in there. And I donated books to the library down the street, and I even put some in the trash, and I really made an effort to get stuff to fit in there. But I went through all my tubs and little things and took donations, right? Little embellishments that I wasn't going to use. My embellishment drawer is still sort of a mess, but it opens and closes. The other thing I did was I was storing plastic bags and adhesives in this drawer, and it was just too much. It was prime real estate to store that stuff in. Not adhesives, mostly in the bottom, but a few. And I changed it and put embellishments and textiles, all this kind of stuff in there, because I'm not using them. I can't see them. I can't sort them. So I probably should do something about this today too. Hope you're having a great weekend. I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.